Hey, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna talk about the 5 most iconic Japanese tuners. Let's start with Top Secret. Top Secret. Established in 1991 by Kazuhiko Nagata, his participation in crazy top speed challenges made him and Top Secret famous. He usually started his high-speed runs with a huge burnout. This is how he earned his nickname, Smokey Nagata. Some of his crazy achievements. He did 341 km an hour on the Autobahn. He did 358 km an hour on Nardo in Italy. And he did 340 km an hour on public roads in the UK. Fun fact, after this run he got banned from the UK. In addition, he has played an active role as a driving force of JDM culture around the world. Top Secret participated in the Super Endurance race and in the D1 Grand Prix as well. HKS. HKS was formed in 1973 by Hiroyuki Hasegawa, a former engineer for Yamaha Motor Company, and his partner Goichi Kitagawa. Their goal was to design and build high-performance engines and components that major original equipment manufacturers could not or would not produce. It's safe to say they succeeded. Their history is packed with achievements throughout automotive history. Let's see a few. In 1974, they introduced the world's first turbo kit for Nissan Skyline. The kit increased the performance by 40%. In 1983, they created the HKS M300, a highly tuned Toyota Celica, which was the first ever Japanese automobile to reach a top speed over 300 km an hour. HKS came a long way since then. Nowadays, they are offering high-quality aftermarket engine parts for Japanese cars. HKS competed in many forms of motorsport, including drag racing, Japanese touring car series, D1 Grand Prix, and many more. In 1992, HKS even developed a V12 engine for Formula 1. VeilSide. Established in 1990 by Hironao Yokomaku, VeilSide has become well known for their crazy body kits, drastically changing the original look of the cars. They have won many awards at the Tokyo Auto Salon since 1991. Some of their crazy body kits got featured in the Fast and Furious saga, the most famous being Han's RX-7 in Tokyo Drift. RWB. RWB is one of the most famous Porsche tuners in the world, founded by Akira Nakai, located in Japan. RWB has combined Japanese and Euro tuning elements, creating the distinct RWB style for Porsche chassis. Starting off as a small countryside body shop in Chibaken, Rauh Welt 911s are now common sight on both the streets and racing circuits of Japan. He started to work on Porsches while employed by a body shop when he came across a damaged Porsche 930. He bought off its original owner, with it later becoming the first RWB Porsche, named Stella Artois, after his preferred beer in the late 90s. His signature style includes new front and rear bumpers, side skirts, wheel arches, spoilers, and a significantly wider rear tire. Nakai-san got featured in Need for Speed, showing his importance in modern automotive culture. Mainz. Mainz started as a specialized tuning shop in 1985 and evolved into Mainz Wave Corporation in 1991. Today the company specializes in the development, manufacture, installation and sales of high-performance automotive parts and engines. Mine's focus is on the total driving experience and the harmonization between driver and machine, and not the highest power figures, while keeping their builds reliable and easy to drive. They are mostly focusing on Nissan GTRs, starting with the R32. Some of their builds got featured in many episodes of Gran Turismo and Forza, introducing the company to a wider audience.
マジかよおい。早すぎ。早すぎ。早い。すげえ早い。早い。フロント浮いてるよこれ。
Would you add something to our list? Would you like to know more about these tuners? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time.